Say hi.
Hi.
What's your name, little girl?
Hi.
Who's that?
Tita.
Who's that?
Ito.
No, what's my name?
Tita.
What sound does a pig make?
Oink, oink.
How about a dog?
Woof, woof.
How about a cat?
Meow.
How about a horse?
Hoi.
How about a sheep? How about a sheep?
Ba.
How about a duck?
Wah, wah.
How about a chicken?
Ba, ba.
How about, what did I not say? How about a cow?
Moo.
How about a penguin?
Oink, oink.
I said penguin.
Puffins.
Go sing Jingle Bell.
Bigger bells. Bigger bells. Be away. Up from fun and wide. Hey.
How about sing like a G6? Oh wait, where's my phone? Give me it.
That's my phone.
I know, hold on. Okay, great.
Thank
I was
you.
gonna put the song on. Francesca.
I don't care.
Oh, you're a great tito.
Yes.
Hey.
Yes, Tita.
What?
Yes, Tita.
Okay, sing. Okay, ready? You gonna sing? Wait. Oh crap. What's your name, girl? James. Sing.
I will do.
Rachel, who's this guy? It's Riley, right?
Yeah.
Is he your classmate?
Yeah.
Why the heck is he messaging me like a little creeper?
James.
Look. Hey. I like it. I'm just confident.
Again.
Niggas freaking Cambodian.
I will do.
Right.
Oh my why?
How about this song?
Oh, I'm on your thing. Oh, he was messaging you.
Ooh. What?
I was like, when did I add this guy?
Hey, Mom. Okay, Mom.
Wait, let me see. Say bye.